Welcome to our 2026 collection tour. Step inside a home where timeless craftsmanship meets modern living. Today, we're taking you room by room to explore our handcrafted bone inlay, hand-carved, and mid-century furniture collections. Let's begin at the entrance, where thoughtful design creates a warm first impression. Moving into the living room, every piece is designed to bring comfort, character, and effortless elegance to everyday living. In the dining room, handcrafted furniture creates the perfect setting for gathering, celebrating, and making lasting memories. Now, let's step into the bedroom, a space designed for comfort, relaxation, and timeless beauty. A well-designed home office brings together functionality and style, making every workday more inspiring. And finally, our handcrafted bar cabinet adds the perfect finishing touch for entertaining with elegance. Every piece you've seen today is handcrafted by skilled artisans, blending traditional craftsmanship with timeless design that's made to last for generations. Thank you for joining our room-by-room collection tour. Explore the complete collection at Boneinlayfurnitures.com and don't forget to subscribe for more luxury home inspiration.